A lot of people rely on the Epic Game Store to play their favorite games, but sadly, it does not have a native client for Linux. There are various ways to install the Epic Game Store on Linux. Using it through Bodos has been the best experience for me, and it's relatively easy to do so. You just need to install the Bodos application through your package manager. Create a Bodle, and inside the Bodle you can install the Epic Game Store with a click of a button. You can also install other game stores inside the Bodle. Besides that, you can even install custom.exe files downloaded from the web. To install the Bodos application, first look in the software store of your Linux operating system. If you can't find it there, you can install Bodos through your terminal. To install the Flatpak version from the terminal, simply type Flatpak install Bodos. Press Y and let it install. You need to have Flatpak set up on your system for this. Most distributions nowadays come with Flatpak pre-installed. If your system doesn't have Flatpak, you can easily set it up for your system by following the guide from this website. I recommend installing it using Flatpak, as it is the official package from the developers of Bottles. If you want to install it using the Fedora package manager, you can type sudo dnf install Bottles. After it's installed, you can create a bottle using the plus button. Choose a name and select gaming. Then it will take some time to create the bottle. After the bottle has been created, you can finally install the Epic Game Store. Click the bottle to get inside it. Select Install Programs. Then you need to look for the Epic Game Store. Here you can also see how each application performs when running through bottles. We can see that Epic Game Store has been labeled as Platinum, which means it is very optimized for running through bottles. Click the download button to install the client. After the application is installed, we can launch it from the programs inside the bottle. Any games installed through the store will also show up here as a shortcut. Additionally, we can add shortcuts to the library as well for quick launch option when opening bottles. The library tab is shown first when the bottles application is launched. Now you can flawlessly install any games from the Epic Game Store and run them without any issues. Have fun gaming, and thank you for watching.